Good morning, Philadelphians, and all of the rest of you people. I'm kidding. No, good morning, guys. Good morning, everybody. View today, pretty great. It's 7:35. It is 58 degrees outside today. I just read it off of that the Megatron billboard on top of that building, right there. It says "Go Phillies." I don't know. I just love it. It's really cool. Anyways, today I'm gonna take it easy because yesterday I literally had like mini surgery. Like I had a procedure done and it sucked. So I'm gonna take it easy today. No working out. I just, trying to do very small things today. I gotta go to the bank and I'm gonna try and post more flyers around town and just kind of walk around, I guess. And I also have to edit and work on my project and stuff like that. So yeah, those are the things. I also have an interview today at 2. The QR code, and that's at home, and so I'm just gonna drop this off and just go home. I'm not coming back here. I'm done over this shit. And so now I'm gonna go to the bank. Love it. Life is so much fun. Success. I got the rollers. I'm doing the only due diligence, the only work that I actually have of physical money. Went to the bank and I picked up
some rolls.
Cause my full-time job, is picking up money off of the street, trying to put it in the bank. Only so many kiosks take coins nowadays, so getting rolls and rolling them up into the bank is great stuff. Pennies are in there. You just gotta put it in the center and then you gotta crease the edges. You gotta crumple and bumple those edges in so that it looks like that. Oh yeah, 50 cents right here in pennies. All right, what time is it? Dishwasher time. Something about doing the dishwasher is, yes, it sucks. Yes, it's not fun, but at least your dishes are clean, and that's the goal. Clean dishes so you can just eat yourself away without any bacterial infections. Clean dishes. Did not have coffee this morning, so maybe I just need the caffeine to kick in. You want to know something, guys? I did not know that you needed to pay to apply to the USPS Postal Service. Literally, I'm shocked. Why? You also have to take an exam as well. I'm like, what is going on? So I've been sitting here applying to jobs for like 45 minutes. And I can't believe I'm saying this, but I'm downloading DoorDash to be a dasher. I have a scooter, so it doesn't even take gas, so I might as well, right? Make a few bucks here and there, maybe some small orders, ride around town. It'll be fine, I think. All right, so I got the DoorDash app, and I think we might be adventuring tomorrow. DoorDashing. God, not again. Just to pass the time until I can figure out a job. I'm going to bust out some lunch right now. It's gonna be a really sad sandwich today because I have the butt ends because Haley was gonna throw them out and I said no, I'll eat them. Even though I hate them. I just took, what? Haley likes to rip things. So basically, it's literally just gonna be meats. You know, I'm about to just finish it. Because the serving size is 4, and that's 4, and then I have 1 left over, so whatever. It's also not in the wrapping. It's literally just gonna be meat and hummus. Although we're running out of hummus too. We have like no groceries or anything in the fridge right now. Sad lunch today, but it's still lunch. This is about the saddest sandwich I've ever seen in my life. Also, I found Haley's potato in the fridge that she kind of ate last night, but didn't want it anymore. So I'm gonna go eat it. Cause she was like, I didn't cook it right. I don't like it. I said, okay, I'll eat it. Cause listen, we don't waste food around here at all. Alright. I'll eat it, cause A, I don't got a job. B, also I don't wanna waste food, you know? Yep. Yep. Still doing laundry. You know, sometimes you just have to add a little bit of cinnamon and sugar on things, and it tastes way better. Yeah. This is a great meal. Anyone would give this a 5-star rating. At any restaurant. Even if it was a 5-star restaurant. Cinnamon, sugar, sweet potato. That's like lukewarm. 100% good. I'm gonna work on my project for an hour. And then it should be time for my interview. And hopefully it goes good. I don't know if I shared this on my channel before or not, but how I keep track of everything and posting everything all the time, I use a planner. Obviously, simple, basic stuff. This is all the stuff that I have to do today. And then, of course, I have all the uploads that are going up and everything for the next coming weeks. Last week, surely busy, lots of stuff to do. That was the week before that. A lot of stuff. And I keep it all in track with a planner. A pocket planner, I like the small things because then you could just shove it in a backpack if you need to. You can even shove it in your cargo pockets if you're wearing cargo pockets. So obviously, pocket planners are a must. It helps me out so much and it helps me keep track of my life because having ADHD and all, you lose track of literally everything. So little life hack for those of you with or without a job. Planners are the way to freaking go, yo. Welcome. Okay. So, for an example, my last job, interview was done. I think she liked me. I think she really liked me. I think she got a kick out of me. It's only 16 an hour though, but anything is anything, and it is what it is. Escuela AKA. Now I'm gonna call this dude and see what's up. He was interested in shooting a music video. So I'm gonna text him real quick and I'm gonna see what he's up to. All right, cool, yeah. I'll do that. Okay, well this guy wants me to edit a music video for him basically. I just hope that the files go into my DaVinci Resolve because if it's any more than 8-bit, it doesn't get accepted by DaVinci. But first he's sending me kind of like an inspiration of like what he wants his music video to be. Yeah, right now he's in North Carolina. How crazy is that, right? Small world. But he's from Philly, so it's crazy. But anyways, yeah, so that went well. Let's see what else happens today. So I'm downloading the project files. They're Blackmagic RAW files. So they're massive. They're massive. RAW files are huge. So I hope my computer can just take all of it. I don't know. We're just gonna see. I just was like, you know what? I could do it. Here we go. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be fine. Okay, so my laptop ran out of disk space. That's great. Love that. I'm also frantically trying to write down a grocery list because I told Haley that I would write down things that we need and haven't done it yet, and she's on her way home. peanuts nights. While the day is coming to an end, as you see the sun setting through the blinds, a few things that I have learned today is when you're taking interviews at the start, literally anything is better than nothing. And when you're doing small jobs, anything is better than nothing. But also make sure that you get paid. Like as a small freelancer, I'm making sure that I'm getting paid and, you know, doing good work. There's always a little bit of upfront unpaid work at the beginning, and then once you establish and get rolling on something, then paid work is obtainable. Yeah, still recovering today, so I think tonight I'm gonna chill, watch a movie, probably play some Mario Kart with Haley, but I'm gonna find something. I'm gonna find a job. It's gonna happen. I feel it deep in my bones. Be sure to check out my Patreon page. I post workout videos on there, so you can see my full workout videos it's really uncut and some tips and tricks I do to stay healthy. So go check it out. I also post photos and shorts on there as well. So go check it out. Link is down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys later. Peace out. Enjoy life. Live it up. Bye.